Welcome to the ScalperIntel guide to upgrade your indicators from the legacy machine ID licensing system to the new named user licensing system. This short tutorial will walk you through the entire upgrade process, step by step. Before you begin, please make sure your NinjaTrader 8 version is 8.1.6 or higher. If your version is older, you'll need to upgrade NinjaTrader to the latest release before starting this upgrade process. Once you're ready, go to ScalperIntel.com and log into your account. First, enter your purchase email address. You'll receive a 6-digit code in your inbox. Retrieve the code and click Submit. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can see all your previous orders. Click on any order to open its details page. You'll notice two main sections on this page. First, the license management section, and further down, your download section. Let's start by downloading the new versions of your indicators. Click Download Files. You'll see a list of indicators, each with 3 folders beneath it. Expand the folders to view their contents. For the upgrade, focus on the folder named User License Version. Download the file that ends with UI and the date. Repeat this for all other indicators in your order. Now that you've downloaded the files, let's import them into NinjaTrader. But first, if you've saved any templates, make sure to back them up. You can refer to our setup and activation manual for detailed instructions. Now, open the NinjaTrader Control Center. Go to Tools. Remove NinjaScript Assembly. Find the older versions of your indicators. They'll have II and a date in the file name. Select them and click Remove. Once the old versions are removed, let's import the new ones. Go to Tools, Import NinjaScript Add-on. Select the file you downloaded earlier, the one with UI and the date in the file name. After a successful import, head back to your account dashboard to activate your license. Click on Dashboard, then click again on the relevant order to open the order details. Scroll to the ScalperIntel named user license section. You'll see your licenses marked as pending. You'll now need to link your NinjaTrader 8 user ID. Optionally, enter a nickname for this license. For example, personal trading or business trading. Then enter your NinjaTrader 8 email ID. Repeat it in the confirmation field and click Update. You'll see a success message. At this point, the license has been activated on our server. But there's one final step. You must restart your NinjaTrader platform to refresh the license and apply the changes on your machine. Without restarting, the license may not appear to be active. So go ahead and close NinjaTrader completely, then reopen it. Once NinjaTrader restarts, your indicators will be fully licensed and ready to use. That's it. You no longer need to worry about reactivation. Even if you upgrade NinjaTrader or Windows or install a new version of the indicator, your license will continue working until its expiry date. Now go back to NinjaTrader and enjoy trading.